Finally did my testing from Wild Health, which was blood testing and genomic testing, which is very cool, where they break down your DNA and see what conditions and things you are predisposed to based on your genetics and their research there. And then they line it up with your blood test and the numbers that they get from that, and they can give you a pretty comprehensive plan on how to move forward, be healthier, and live a long time, run really fast, lift really heavy, whatever your goal is. We can do all those things at the same time. So check this out. 3 major takeaways from my personal tests. 1, I do not process vitamin E very well. In fact, I turn it into inflammation. And from my blood tests, it shows that my acute inflammation in my body is off the charts based on my C-reactive protein in my blood test, which has been there before, but it is very, very unhealthy. So if I have any vitamin E in my diet, I basically turn it directly into inflammation. And another thing in my test is that I do not do well with gluten. I have a genetic sensitivity to gluten. So we're cutting gluten out of my diet, trying to get that inflammation in my body down. Been a few weeks into it now, and I'm feeling pretty darn good. This year's looking really nice. And the third main takeaway that I have here is I do not process fish oil, omega-3s very well, so we are saturating my diet with that. I'm taking in a lot more in supplements and in what they call smash fish, which is sardines, mackerel, herring, salmon, that sort of fish. Trying to keep that much more prevalent in my diet, so make sure that I'm taking care of my body in the best way possible. But this is from the initial test. We're implementing these changes. I'm really excited to see how things are looking when we do a retest of my blood panel, and we'll see how I'm doing. But so far, I'm a couple 3 weeks into adjusting my diet and adding these supplements, and I'm feeling very, very healthy, more healthy than I have in months. So I'm really looking forward to what's to come. If you have any questions about Wild Health, feel free to reach out, and please check them out. They are super, super cool. The most in-depth testing I've ever done, and getting to chat with the doctor and ask questions specifically about my testing and having it be specific to me is very, very cool. So check it out, Wild Health.